In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and cleanest A-B testing tools I ever used. It's called Stellar and honestly, it might be the best Google optimized alternative out right now. I will walk you through the dashboard, show you how to set up your first A-B experiment. Also, we will try a no-code visual editor and explore the real-time analytics and AI insights. So let's start and see how we can implement our first A-B experiment. So right here, as you can see, the first step is to create your account. This is the tool we are going to be using throughout the video. Just click on login with Google and choose your Google account. You will be taken straight to the main dashboard. Now, if you use this for the very first time, you won't see this same dashboard that I am seeing right now. You will see a little bit of different. That's because Stellar wants you to set up your website before you start testing. Don't worry, it's super simple. You can just click on add domain and enter your website URL, then copy the snippet code they give you into the head tag of your website. I have already documentation and the full tutorial link in the description box for you so you can follow the step-by-step process as well. So we currently have two options including the A-B experiment or with the URL. For this demo, we are going to create a standard A-B experiment. So just click on it and now Stellar ask for the page link where we want to run the A-B test. This can be your home page, landing page, a product page, or any page you want to optimize. In my case, I'm going to use my pricing page for this A-B testing. So here's my pricing page URL. I will just copy it and paste it right here. You will also notice that we have an option called advanced URL targeting, but we are not going to dive into that in this video. That's more complex setup, so we'll skip it for now. Right now, we are focused on creating our first campaign. To do that, we need to set up our conversation goal. So let's give it a name. I will call it a pricing. Then we can just select our main objective, what we are needing from it, like page visit, clicks, or maybe the custom code. We have total three options to select from here. You will also see a tutorial video. If you stuck at any point, you can just watch that video as well. So now I will just click on the clicks and we will click on create conversion. So this is the important steps. Without that, we are not able to do any A/B experiment on our website. We also need to create a variant. So for that, just click on the add button right here and it will automatically create one for you. So now you can see here we have set up everything. Now we need to do is edit our website. For that, you will see your edit option, or you can just change the name of your variant first if you want to. So now here we can edit almost anything. So for that, just click on a visual editor and you will be taken straight to your website. And if you notice on the right side, you will see a visual editor where you can start editing your things. So from here, you can edit almost anything, change the title, update the theme colors, modify text colors, switch fonts, replace text, add shadows, whatever you want to test, you can do it right from here. Let me show you a quick sample. So here you can see, let's say we want to change this section text. So we'll just click on it and we can also put our custom text here if you want to, or we can just generate it using AI. Then we can just click on the save changes and it will implement to our website as well. So if you want to write your own headline, like just write out test here, you can do that as well. Or now if you click on the generate with AI, you will get lots of AI suggestion which AI is suggesting you to use. That you can just use any of them as well. Also, you get a box where you can just describe what you want to edit in this website by selecting the specific section. Like if you want to change the color, or let's say if you want to add a shadow to any element, you can do it right here. Let me show you a quick sample for that by animating a button. Alright, so now let me show you a quick example of how easy is it to add animations to button using Stella using video visual editor. So here I will write a single prompt and you can see the button instantly gets a new animation applied to it. Super smooth. Let's try adding animation to another button as well. I will just select this button and now I will just type add animation, and within 2 or 3 seconds the animation is applied automatically. You don't have to code anything, Stella does it for you. Now let's look at the text changes. For example, I want to update this launch for free button text. So now I will just click on it and now I have option that I can choose the text color, and we can have option like generate text with AI. So you can just implement it. So you have full manual control over things like colors, font size, spacing style, and a lot more. So between the AI tools and the manual customization, you can create pretty much any variant you want. If you want to save all of your customization, just click on the save and the finish button and click on the OK button. And now your new variation is saved. You can access it to your website URL right here. You can just click on it and it will redirect you to the website page where you can find all of your settings or changes that you just made it. So now you can see here we have our buttons animated. For that, we need to launch our experiment first. Without launching, you cannot see the changes. So we'll just click on the launch experiment and make sure not to remove that code that we put in a head tag when we are creating this experiment. So now we will just click on close. Error is came, so we will just create a new variant for it. And now we'll click on launch button again, and now you can see our campaign is live. Now we can access our website and see the changes that we made earlier. And now you can see here when we click on the button, you can see now it's animating as well. So that's all how you can animate, and I mean the how you can create your A/B testing. You can do for any other page you want, any other language, any other text you want to change. You can do a lot of stuff from here. All right, now let's quickly talk about pricing plan and the analytics. If we go back to the dashboard, you will see all important metrics right here: unique visitors, total clicks, and your conversion rate. So you get a nice clean overview of how your experiment is performing. If you scroll down, you will also find the AI insight. This section highlights what's working, what's not, gives you a actionable suggestion based on your experiment data. Once your site get at least 50-60 visitors, your dashboard will start showing complete and accurate data. Make sure to test runs long as possible for the meaningful results. As for pricing, right now we are inside the trial, so you don't have to pay for anything for the first 21 days. You can use all the features, run test, and to see if it fits your need. If you decide to operate, just click on the domain tab or the subscription button. Here you will find a pro plan that is $99 per month when billed annually, or $149 if you prefer to pay month on month. Just click on the upgrade to pro button and you will be taken to the secure payment page to complete your purchase. I will also add a full guide in the description box how to add like a seller snippet inside your website head tag. So if you need help with setup, you check that out as well. And if you have any questions, thoughts, suggestion for the future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. If there's a feature you want Stellar to add, you can request it directly through the app too. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next